Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, feel it coming. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow the golden, golden, golden things.
What, honey?
Gold hair, gold rings, golden, golden, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon.
I brush my teeth. I brush my hair. I redo clothes? And then I do
Golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string,
and you flash
gold rings, golden, golden. I'll follow only golden,
Yeah, you could eat that, but it's gotta go in the stew.
golden.
No, not one bite. That's going in the stew. Okay, maybe one bite. Ah.
These are just browning veggies to really enhance the flavor and continue to build that brown umami deliciousness. Dance breaks are good for the soul, and this little one has just been very fussy because she's teething. So this is very helpful, I find, just to lighten up the mood. But we're going to continue browning our vegetables, and I'm going to deglaze with some red wine. You could use broth or some more of your stock, but this really gives it such a wonderful depth of flavor. So I would try it if I were you, if you haven't before, if you don't mind cooking with alcohol. And then add in your stock with all those good mix-ins we put. I normally do add some miso paste or anything with a little bit more umami flavors to boost it, but again, this is a quick family night dinner tonight. It's not going to be perfect. I do have a recipe linked below that is more precise and exact than what you're seeing here, but this is my life, and so sometimes when I think about I really wanted to start a YouTube channel, I thought, I can't make it perfect. That's not my life right now. My life is full and it's good, but it's real, and I wanted to share that with others, that you can make good food for your family and create a home and all the things I like to share on my channel. And even though it's not picture perfect and I don't have all the perfect wide lenses and camera angles and there's noise in the background, I finally decided I need to just stop waiting and just do it. So click the recipe below, make this amazing stew for your family, and do the thing that you have been waiting to do. If it's fear, if it's the unknown, if it's I don't have what I need or I'm not equipped, holding you back, I guess my hope for you with this video is to feed your soul, both with good food and to remind you to do the thing that you've been wanting to do.